Hey guys, Andrew here, Hoffman Lawn Fertilization. Let me tell you what, this season has been brutal. It is one of the hottest and driest summers on record. This spring, record rainfalls. A lot of damage to turf, right? And as we come into fall here, this is the time when we do all of our repair work from the damage that we've seen throughout the season. But we're getting nonstop questions. If there's no moisture in the forecast, how is that seed gonna work? Is it just a waste of money? The quick and easy answer is no, it's not a waste of money. One, you do need to aerate. You do need to seed, right? To get these areas to fill back in. You need three things for seed to be able to germinate. You need soil contact, you need sunlight, and you also need moisture. For those that have a big lawn and maybe they don't have irrigation, there's no rain right now for like the 7 to 10 day forecast. But eventually the rains are going to come. So that seed is gonna lie there dormant, right? And it's got the sun, it's got the soil contact. When the rains come, that's when it's gonna germinate. Seed ultimately lasts in the soil for a very long time. If you go to cultivate a landscape bed or you're changing your landscape in some type of manner, generally what that does is it brings seed to the surface. They've been down there in the ground for years, decades potentially, and it just doesn't germinate, right? It's got to come to the surface. It hasn't had sunlight. That's the concept to kind of think about. You know, you got to sow your seed now, set yourself up for success when the weather does change. If you've got more questions about aeration overseed, getting, installing a new lawn, that kind of thing, check out our website, hoffmanslawn.com.